Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, like you saw on the description box, I'm gonna be doing French toast with a twist. I'm gonna be using hazelnut with cocoa spread, aka Ketola. So if you want to know how do I do this French toast, please keep on watching. Like you saw, I'm gonna be using this baby over here, Ketola cocoa hazelnut spread. If you're following me on Instagram, you know I'm obsessed with this baby over here. If you're not following, you're missing out a lot. I'm gonna be using this bread. I'm so sad because all these, at least the one that I have nearby, they pull out the keto bread. I don't know if they are changing the recipe, reformulating it. I don't know. But I went back to this baby until I can find a new bread that is lower in carb. I'm going to be using also heavy whipping cream. I'm going to be using eggs. And I'm going to be using a little bit of this sweetener. It's not necessary. It's just to make it pretty. You will see. You will see. Oh, I was going to say you can use any bread that you want. I just have this on hand right now. So I'm going to start doing the mixture. I'm gonna do an ounce of heavy cream. I think it's gonna be more than enough. And I'm gonna use 1 egg. Okay, this is perfect. I'm gonna put this on the side. Now I'm gonna grab the Ketola over here, and I'm gonna be using 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna measure it, because if I try to scoop it with a this measuring spoon, I don't think it will be exact because it's a little bit hard. And I'm gonna be doing 4 tablespoons, so it's gonna be 64 grams. Here, so let's change it to gram. Like I always say, if you don't have a scale, I recommend you to buy one, get one, or borrow one, because it's gonna be so much easier to track your macros, measuring your food, especially if you're noticing that you don't lose any weight. It's probably because you need to measure what the amount of macros that you are eating. So it's 27. I don't mind this is hard, because I just pop it in the microwave for like 5 to 10 seconds and it's basically done. Or I can put it close to the stove and it will start melt. So 57, and yes, it's my food, so I can put my fingers on it. Let's put it 58, 62, oh, 64. There you go. I'm gonna pop this baby in the microwave like I said. Let's do 8 seconds. Now I'm gonna start cutting the edge of the bread. You don't have to do this, but if you want to, I'm gonna do 4 slices. I know it's gonna be 24 grams of carbs. It's gonna be a lot. To me, it's not, because I'm a low carb with a twist of keto, like I said before. If you wanna use another bread with a lower count of carbs, you can totally do it. It's a little bit melted. I think I can do a little bit more. Let's do 8 more seconds. I'm gonna be using this baby to flatten this a little bit more, but let's start cutting the edges first, just to make it pretty, you know. Let's cut it a little bit. I don't like to waste food, so as close as possible to the edge. Okay, so the edges are gone. Oh, I missed a little bit here. Put it here on the side, like I said. Oh, I know. Yeah, this is perfect. See, 16 seconds, 8 seconds increments. That way you avoid unburning it. So, okay. So let's press this a little bit. Okay. This is ready. See, this is why I don't like this cutter, because it moves. You go. You don't have to do this. It is just that it's easier to work with it. Let's remove this corner over here. And this over here. And now, I'm gonna be precise with my handy dandy. I'm gonna spread this baby over here. See, it's way easier doing it like this with the spread a little bit warm or melted. Make sure that I coat everything. And probably my husband is gonna snatch at least 2 of these, so I'm gonna be ended up eating half. So, and now we just going to roll this baby and put it on the side. I'm gonna do the same thing again with a handy dandy measuring spoon. Whoop. Same thing. And you're gonna do the same steps for all of the slice of bread. So this is the last one. Like I said, the same steps for the 4 slices. I think I'm gonna add another egg to that mixture, and with the remaining, I'm gonna be doing some scrambled eggs. So let's put this on the side. Just move it all out of the way. And I'm gonna add another egg. So the skillet is already warm. Now I'm just gonna coat the rolls with these eggs and heavy cream mixture. You have to make sure that you coat every single corner. Stay on top of it because this will burn easily. Let's put on high. So like I said, they cook really fast. I'm just removing from the skillet. Here are the macros. I did the macros with the keto bread just to make it easy for the people that are keto. So this is, like I said, these are the macros for the people that are keto, and use the Aldi bread or any bread that is 0 net carb per slice. So like you saw, this is the final product. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of this sweetener just to make it pretty. And like you saw, in the B-roll, I did the scrambled eggs for it, but I'm gonna spring this first, and then I'm gonna plate it. And there you have it. Look at this. Really simple, really fast. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment if you want me to do more videos like this. And remember, sharing is caring. And don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye-bye.